Okay, we are on the Bristol Road. That's it there. It's been through Davidson's, lovely chap. And there's John. Okay, this is the property. So off the main road, quite a large meters outside. That's quite helpful. So all the windows are double glazed. We just helpful. It's a new build downstairs WC, which a lot of tenants will ask for now. And in fact, it's really helpful. Doesn't need a full rewire. Seems fine so far. Large kitchen diner. So this would be, for example, the kitchen diner, and then this would have been a reception room, but it's actually absolutely fine as it is. Potentially put a partition wall there, open up, put a door there, and turn that into a fourth bedroom if you wanted to, because this space is actually quite large. But as a family, I'd keep it like this and save the money. Nice windows, all new. Nice garden. So this does come with private parking at the back, but I don't think you can access it from here. You have to go out there, turn left, and walk down there. It's got parking, so that's good. Okay, so there's plenty of storage throughout. Probably too much. So a lot of these could just have been left open. But to be honest, we don't need to touch the kitchen. The design is a bit dated, but I think just a touch up is fine. I'm not sure that's wallpaper. I think that's wallpaper, but maybe we can paint on top. Strip all that back. But generally, actually, I don't think a lot of work is needed here. Okay. So the good thing is it's not off the main road, but you can't really hear a lot of noise, which is quite good. So if you listen, can't read anything. Interesting small room, absolutely pointless because this is the master bedroom. A bit narrow, but large enough, just narrow. And if we take that out, it'll be even larger, but still narrow. So it depends on if tenants want storage or more bedroom. These doors will have to be replaced because they look very nice, but then it's not expensive to do. You just get the white panel doors. Recarpet throughout. This is the smallest bedroom. Decent sized bedroom. You can still fit a small double in here. So that's absolutely fine. And then this is probably the master bedroom. Because it's of its shape more than anything. It's a nice square, so yeah, this would be the master bedroom. Again, very quiet, which is quite good considering we're off the Bristol Road and near the city centre. So we're about a few minutes from the city centre. Interestingly, this is not part of the Calthorpe estate, which means we don't have to pay any maintenance fees, ongoing fees. That's a boiler. Doesn't look new, but looks functional. Looks like there's been a leak down there. So probably just keep that going until it dies, but it's in a good location. It could be downstairs, but at least it's not in a bedroom. So that's fine. You can use that storage as an airing cupboard. Bathroom's an interesting one. Fairly modern, but not very modern. So options here would be to gut this and start again, or just strip off all the silicone, all that's been done quite badly. Clean it all up and do it properly, but ultimately leave everything as it is. So it's basically, do all that properly, do all this properly as well, and that would make it far more presentable. Yeah, maybe a shower screen. No, you can't really put a shower screen here because you couldn't get in. But otherwise, I think it's just, to be honest, I think if you replace these doors with new doors, do something with these, it'll be absolutely fine. Okay. Also, yeah, sorry. The best thing about this is actually the location. The city centre is just over there, so it's not going to go down in value. Yeah. Okay.